Hey everyone, it's Chris DeClerc with Delta Plastics and Pipe Planner. I'm working on all of my levee fields, my side inlet fields, and I've got a bunch of shape files that I want to dump into Pipe Planner. We do that individually by field. You don't have to manually draw them anymore. If you do have a shape file, you can upload them. Here's how you do it. Name the field however, whatever you want, pick the soil type, choose levee, choose upload. Now, you can drag that shapefile if you're working with two screens directly into this orange boundary and it'll populate, or I can just simply click Choose File, go out to my folder where that shapefile is, grab it just like I'm doing right here, double click it, and the levees automatically appear. So these are all of the levees that I have built within that shapefile, and you can see Pipe Planner kind of takes that boundary and it squares it off. I'll show you how to remove that so it'll match up with the field in just a second. But first we're going to follow the navigation, click the Add Water Source. Let's go on up here and click where that water source is, which is right here. Leave it the same name as the field if you want to. You can rename it if you want to. Let's give it the measured flow rate that you got from the field and click Save All. Let's click Finish here. Now, we want to edit this area so it matches up with the field, right? So simply click this Edit Area button, and all you have to do is just zoom in, and let's just start dragging that around a little bit more so it matches up. Here, let's come right here. You can do this so we can get that levee boundary in a little bit better there. Let's do this here. Might take just a little bit to do this, but at the end of the day, it sure does save a lot of time in not having to draw all of those contour levees around, right? Okay, so here, and then right here at this point, let's drag it down to that. You don't have to be real exact. Your levees can even come across the boundary line and you can be all good. We need to do the same up here. Just kind of doctor that up a little bit, and as you can see, wasn't very hard to do at all. And now I have my field boundary, sorry about that, zoomed out a little bit, where I want it. Click Save. Now, ready to draw the pipe. Zoom in, click on your water source first. Where you want to start the pipe? Well, let's start it right here at this boundary. Come all the way down. Let's make sure we hit all of these levees, and in this case, we're going to come down to this point right here. End it where you want it. Click on the end of the pipe. If you want to tie it off, that's fine. Leave it open, that's fine. Click Save. You can see after you click Save where we're going to be watering in each one of these individual paddy acreage. Really, really nice to see if these all match up and what you're doing all the way down to the very last one. If you click Hole Design now up here at the top, Pipe Planner tells you all of the gates needed, the opening, how open or closed they need to be for each individual paddy count all the way down. That's how you upload shape files in order to see your levees, in order to create a levee irrigated field quickly. Remember, you can do that on your desktop or you can do it right on your iPad. Thanks so much. Stay tuned.